Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video, we are going to talk about best ways to send images, videos and messages from WhatsApp to email. First of all, to do this, go into your WhatsApp application and select the profile that from which you want to send images or any other files through email. Once you are in the profile of that person, then scroll down. There you will see export chat. Click on the export chat and then there you have option attach media and without media. If you attach media, then all the images, videos will be shared. Or if you do not attach any media, then your videos or images will not be shared. For now, I'm selecting attach media because I want to send images, videos and other files as well. Then it will take some time and then it will let you choose the medium to share, then share it through mail by clicking on email and typing the email address. In this way, you can send images, videos, and messages from WhatsApp to email. Thank you for watching this video. If you like this video, then please do not forget to subscribe our channel.